Hi, in this tutorial we're going to be looking at how to set up your blog on Swaziweb.com. So I'm already on Swaziweb.com right now, so you can log in there if you're not there. You should see a page like this, but don't worry if the page doesn't look exactly like this by the time you actually check out the site or you log in to set up your own blog, because it's designed to change dynamically, so it might not look exactly like this. You should now find a box that says something like a button that says create blog free, or it says register. So one of these two should work just fine. So I'm going to go ahead and create a blog by clicking here. So once you've clicked that button, it will bring you to a page where you can say something like get your own Swaziweb.com account in seconds. So what we're going to do is first set up our account. The username that you use here will inevitably become your login name. So I'm going to go ahead and create a username. And then here it will usually be blank. So this is just using a reminder because I've logged in before. Now you have to put in your email address, the one where you will receive our messages or Swaziweb.com messages from. So in my case, I'll put my Yahoo email. Okay, then you've got to pick a password that you will use to log in on the site, and just pick any password. Make sure it is what you won't forget. Make sure that it's safe and secure, because you don't want people logging into your account. So I'll go ahead and pick an a password. Okay, it will ask you to confirm the password. Okay, once you've set up that, then you can read our terms of service. Before you sign up, you must understand the terms and conditions of the service. Then once you're done, you can then go to agree. Just leave this button as is because we are looking for a site, and then click next. Okay, now you've got an account already set up, but what you now need to do is, I can actually go ahead and just say, would you like to save this? Since I'm using Chrome, so that's why it's asking me that. I'll say yes. It's up to you what you want to do. If you're using an internet cafe, of course you don't want to say save password. Now the question here is, what's the domain name that you want to set up for your site? So now the domain name that I would pick, so that it becomes Swaziweb.com / whatever name you want your site to be named after. So I'll go ahead and call it Inspire Me. I'm creating a blog about inspiration. Okay, so on the site title, and then the tagline. Just think of something creative on your site. It should really be something that stands out, that you want the blog to be known for. And then the next step is to select a category. So just click this, and then you can pick a category. Since I'm in inspiration, so I'll find mine in let me see where I can put mine. Should I put it in coaching and mentorship? Yeah, I'll just choose that one. And then they'll ask me for a site description, so I'll say, yeah, just put anything. It can be as long as you want, can be as short as you want. I just put a sentence. And then privacy, you must always leave this at public. Don't try to use this too unless you know what you're doing. And then this 3, really just leave it on public right there, and then sign up. Voila, it's done. You see, it's saying congratulations, your new blog is ready, and then it's showing you the password. Of course, I've blurred the password so that you don't see my password, but in your case you'll be able to see your password right here. So you can choose to either view your site or go to the admin area. So your site is up, so you can click to say view your site. Let's see how it looks like. Just open it up here, and then I can also right click on this just to go to the admin area. As you can see, now the site has been registered. It's Swaziweb.com Inspire Me, and then it will show up here, but I just want, it's still loading, so you can wait for it to load and you'll be able to see your blog here showing up. In the next video I'll show you how that looks like. And then when I go inside, this is how the inside part of my blog looks like. So this is where I'll be setting up everything and putting get everything for the site to work. I'll discuss this section in another video. Congratulations, at this stage you have your blog set up on Swaziweb.com. You can in fact go to your email. You should find an email from Swaziweb.com giving you the details of your registration. Now you can watch the next video on how to maneuver within the dashboard.